Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. Our old channel is deleted, so we create new one. Please subscribe our channel. And we always share content for educational purpose. In this video, we will talk about what is sweeper bot and how it's work. And we also test a sweeper bot, for example, the working and the method of a sweeper bot. So first of all, the sweeper bot is a script of a code. It's attached with your wallet address. In case your private key or seeds of your wallet is compromised and the hacker or attacker the attach script using the private key with your account. So as you deposit some ETH, BNB or any tokens in your account, so it will be immediately transfer the assets to a specific wallet address. So let's take an example. Here we have a script here for testing a sweeper bot. So we provide it API provider like Alchemy, and also we give it a private key of account, and here is a receiver account. Means we are targeting account and giving it private key. Show you account we are targeting. Here we have account the ending with 9E86 and we get private key of this account. Inside the account we have 0.01 Spolia ETH. Okay, then when we run the bot, the amount of ETH will be transferred from this account to this account ending with 1151. Okay, so let's test it, and we will run it node index.js. Simple, we hit command enter. Just waiting for the running bot. Okay, so you see as we run the bot, and immediately it's give us a transaction hash, and let's check the transaction. Here Etherscan, and change the network to Spolia. And pasted here transaction hash. So as we can see here, 46 seconds ago, a transaction from ending with 9E86 to 115, the amount of the ETH, its value transferred successfully. If we also check here the balance in the account, look, we have just received the amount, and if we also check here, we don't have the balance inside our wallet. If we again send the money to this account, let's try with this account, and we make it send to this account 0.01 ETH. Next, and just make it aggressive and confirm. So as the money received to other account, it will be immediately give us a transaction. Our bot is still running. Okay, so here we get another transaction, and if we check here on the wallet, so we are testing when we run the bot, we have inside balance and it's transferred, and then we have make other transaction for the receiving and the third for the outgoing. So this bot is working successfully. And for more information, if you want to learn, and if you are interested to get our bot, so you can contact us on our Telegram.